She can't move, honey.
She has to be on the floor to move.
See you next time.
Is that a nice bunny? Nice kisses for the bunny.
I love you. I love you. Hi there. 1, 2, 3, take it away. 4, 5, 6, we're going to play. 7, 8, 9, I'm coming soon. Now I'm ready to get the room. Look, Mommy.
Yeah.
Hide and seek. I'm tattoo 10.
Oh, that's nice kisses for the bunny.
You're